Hello guys, welcome back to Automats. In this reel, I'm going to show you the battery replacement. So recently, I have tried starting my car, but the car was completely dead. It is trying to start, but due to battery issue, I'm unable to start my car. So I have tried reaching out to Tyresnmore and ordered my battery. Now the journey was smooth. So once I have selected my battery and selected my slot and paid the amount, I have received updates on when possibly I would get my surveys done. And I have tried reaching the technician number which was shared to me, and they were very responsive. And once the time slot and everything is confirmed, I waited for them to arrive. So they have arrived, and their service was very quick. They have removed my old battery, and also they have rechecked whether the battery that they have got is correct or wrong. And the best thing was, while after the order, they have themselves called and confirmed whether the battery was correct or not for the car model that I have. Because usually sometimes people get that wrong and order the wrong battery or maybe wrong components. But here they made sure I have ordered the right battery, and they came with all the tools that are necessary. And once the cleaning is done, they have quickly installed the new battery. Now you can see the cleaning process. So now, as you can see, there is acid and corrosion that has happened near the battery terminals. They have used, I guess, WD cleaner or something like that, and they have tried cleaning it. Once the cleaning is done, the battery is kind of replaced very smoothly. Everyone, do check out the tires and more website. So you have different kinds of car tires, bike tires available, along with alloy wheels, car batteries, scooter batteries, and few accessories that you can access from here. All of you guys, I suggest, whenever you kind of get any service done through any application, I suggest you make a video out of it, so that if you miss any part of it, or if you have a clash with the service guy then and there, you can have a material proof to rely on, and to share with higher executives or something. But here, the executive that came has worked very professionally. I definitely do recommend Tires and More. Now we have to wait it out. Once the cleaning is done, we'll have the new battery installed. So until then, let's wait. Now it's time for new battery, guys. The technician is checking the battery name, number, and everything to make sure it is intact. And he has got the right, battery for my car. Now you can see he is re-verifying the serial number once again, and he is checking the condition of the battery as well. Once he verified that it is the same battery, he started the installation. Now quickly moving into installation. Once the battery is placed right there, so now we have to kind of connect the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal. Stay tuned for more such videos. Please do like and subscribe my channel, and also if you like the content, please share it with your friends. Hoping to see you all in the next video with a new update. Until then, peace out.